Okay, I installed this on today. And everything was okay. This fits here. And lovely. So, giving my dogs a bath. As you can see, still got the rings in the tub and the hair. And so, let me cut the shower water on. I had these pressed here. This one, one holds the water. Not really good at doing videos. Holds the water, and then you let it back out to spray. So let me show you what happens with the cold water. This is what happens. Not sure why it's coming out there. I was rinsing my dog off. And lo and behold, here it comes here. Okay? I'm cutting my shower on. My hands are wet. And this is how low the water's running. Now I'm going to cut my shower head back on. Now this is with my shower head running. That's where it comes out at. Nothing comes out through here. And I'm pressing the button. Nothing. Nothing comes out to spray anymore. Nothing. It was fine until about 30 minutes after I got my dog into the bath. Now this is it on full, and it's just getting water on the wall, coming out here. Don't know why. So now I've got to pack this thing up so I can get my money back or something, because this is not working. It's still up. Everything's in. I put the plumber's tape around there so it'll stick. Wasn't no leaks up there, but it's all coming out of here.
Okay, here you go. This first setting, you just use Teflon tape here and there. Change the setting. Oops, sorry. That's the middle setting. And last setting, which I don't know if you can tell. It's crazy pressure. Man, even the first setting has good pressure, and then you can shut it off here at that button. And if you install it the way I did, it shouldn't leak whatsoever. Teflon tape here. Teflon tape here. Don't take out any filters that come with it. It might rust after a while. I have no idea. I haven't been using it for this long, but I mean, we'll see. So, there we go.
Alright guys, so I bought this shower head. I'll show it to you now. Okay. 2 weeks is how long I've had it. Now, if you want power, it's got power. Okay, it'll knock it back. But, see, the problem is, it's got so much power, this little switch is already worn out. Watch this. You got these little rebellious strings right here that want to poke you in the eye. Like some of them will go up your nose, turn around, all of a sudden you get a stream in your eyeball, high pressure water. And this thing doesn't even turn the center off. See, the center is supposed to be off, but this is already worn out in 2 weeks and we barely even use it. I think it's because of pressure. Then when you go just to that, and then back, you see these little strings? I don't know if y'all see them, little side strings. But one's shooting out here right now towards the door. But yeah, it's not the best quality. As far as power, it's got it. But, you know, unless you want your shower head to be attacking you while you're in the shower, I wouldn't recommend it. Or they need to do something with the holes, because it's not the best. But, I mean, I guess you could buy 100 of them, they're only 30 bucks, but who wants to keep changing them out, right? They need better quality. But there you go. Yeah, the attacking shower head.
So I'm going to try to install this just by putting it on. There's no way to tighten it, but it just consistently falls off. Yeah, not a fan. Ah. Yep, nothing.
Vous pouvez voir, c'est un très bon produit. Marche à gaz, c'est numéro 1.
Locking nut is tightened. Just won't stay up.